Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. W's in the chat if you can hear me. W's in the chat if you can hear me. Let's get into it. W's in the chat if you can hear me, and let me know if you guys can hear me. W's in the chat. We were streaming today. We shared a setup. We shared two setups, one on GJ, which was a loss, and one on GU, which ended up being a crazy position. We're gonna break that down. That one was a crazy ass position, not even gonna lie. But before we even get into it, Dobby's in the chat if you can hear me. Dobby's in the flipping chat. Let's go. If you can hear me, W's in the chat, gang. I want to do this breakdown, but I can't break it down without you guys letting me know that you can hear me. So W's in the chat if you can hear me. Put a W in the chat if you can hear me, guys. Come on. Put a W in the chat if you can hear me. W's, let's go, let's go. All right. You guys were taking your time on that one, y'all. Y'all were taking your time. But amazing stuff. So let's get into it. Let's get into this stream, guys. This is going to be a sick, crazy stream. I'm ready. You're ready. We are all ready. So let's do this. Let's get into it. Let's actually do this, right? So we're going to start off by taking a look at XAUUSD. XAUUSD. Let's take a look. Let's see what's in store with gold right now. Let's see what's in store with gold. Sorry, just 1 second. I'm just sharing this stream on social media. Once I share it, we're good to go. Let's lock in. Okay, I'm locked in now. I'm locked in. Ooh, Tony catch the trade on the UJ. Amazing. So XAUUSD has been tanking towards the upside like a motherfucker. Excuse my language, but yo, XAUUSD, I gotta give it to you. I gotta give it to you. You're pushing P. So XAUUSD is pushing absolute P. Okay. I think gold is going to sell, guys. I've done my analysis with my eyes here. So let me break it down to y'all. And I'll tell you, and I'll explain to you why I think gold might sell. Okay. So first and foremost, we're on the 4-hour time frame here on gold, guys. As you can see, we are on the 4-hour time frame on gold, right? We have our area of supply and demand. So as you can see, we had support along here. I'm just going to quickly turn off session breaks, so we get a nice, empty, clean chart. Right. As you can see, we have our zones of support and resistance. We have resistance, support, some sort of support, 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 resistance, support, resistance. Prices came to this area. Literally, it came to this area. So we can expect price to get ready to sell towards the downside. In my opinion, I think it actually might sell because we have been bullish the whole day. Since yesterday, we've been bullish, so we need to slow down a little bit. So now let's go into the 1 hour time frame. So even on the 1 hour time frame, I think if XAU was to sell, at least sell down to this area. Who's with me? Do you agree or do you disagree? And we have something like this. Just give us a 1:2. So that's basically the trade. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a screenshot of this trade, right? And once that screenshot is taken, we're going to come and put it in our trading plan. Literally. That's what we're here to do. So as you can see, we have our trading plan right here. So we're going to go ahead and log this trade. So as you can see, the trade that we took earlier on GBPUSD, we logged it in our trading plan for a nice 1:5. So now we're logging in a new trade. So this is XAUUSD. So if you guys want to get access to this trading plan, just DM me and we'll get you on board. XAUUSD, the session, entering Asia session, and the trade type is a reversal. So we are risking 1% on this, and the risk to reward is a nice 1:2. Yes, I followed my plan. How am I feeling right now? I'm feeling kind of calm. I haven't made any mistakes. Let me add the screenshot in here. And this is our first week on this account. So first week on this account. This is our setup. And that's that. So as you can see, we also took a trade on GU. So this is GU's trade that we took today, guys. This was the before. That was the before. And let me click on the after. And this was the after when price tanked off to the upside. So yeah, so far we have 2 trades on our logged in on our trading journal here. So let me quickly do the checklist. So it's an A+ setup. Yes, 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 yes. Amazing. So yeah, that's the setup. So make sure if you guys want to grab this trading plan off me, because I can guarantee you a lot of people do not have a trading plan this advanced. They don't. They do not have a trading plan this advanced. So if you want, make sure you hit the link in the description. We also have a 30-day challenge. So if you were to do a prop firm challenge, here is the 30-day challenge for you guys. So did you follow your plans? No emotional trading, completed journal entries all the way up to day 30. Literally. So we have it all for you guys. We have it all. We have it all. This is the best trading plan in the world. Type shit. Let's go back to the charts. Enough of that. Let's go back to the charts. Gold has been analyzed. GBPUSD. Straight up sells on GU, man. Straight up sells on GU. Nice 1:2. That's even on the 1 hour time frame. A nice 1:2 on the 1 hour time frame. So let's go into the 15-minute time frame on GU. GU, we have found our setup, guys. You're trading when the market opens. So GU, I have found my setup. Yes, thank God we found the setup on GU. Easy. So let me explain to you guys why I think price is gonna sell. Let me just explain to you guys why I think it's gonna sell, all right? It's all gonna make sense. Okay, but before I even take this sell, right, guys, before I even take this position, look, you guys are seeing this live right now. Taking a screenshot of this, and we're entering it into our trading journal. Every single trade that we're going to take, we will enter inside of our trading journal. So we have this. Let's log in a new trade. GBPUSD. GBPUSD sells. Took it today. The pairs is GU. Session, Asia session. I would like to consider this a break and a retest. So we are risking 1% on a nice 1:2.4. 2.4 risk to reward ratio. Did I follow my plan? I'm not going to take this because I didn't follow my plan. Reason being, the plan is I only trade Asia, I only trade New York and London. So I'm actually breaking my plan just for you guys. How am I feeling? I'm feeling kind of calm. Yes, I have made a mistake, and the mistake is, let me even log the mistake here. Trading during Asia session, which is not the session that I normally trade. Let me add the screenshot. And that's our trade logged in, guys. We have logged our trade. This is what I love about this 5P system. Like, this 5P trading plan is what you like to call French. This 5P trading plan is literally what we love to call French kiss. It's got everything you need. It's going to show you the win rate once you start winning, logging a trade, winning your trades, trade calendar, a news calendar, news report, trading checklist, you know. Yeah. So we have the two setups. So now let me explain to you guys why I want to take this sell on GBPUSD. So buckle up. Let's do this. Let me explain to you guys why I'm going to take this trade on GBPUSD. We got a lot of people from Twitter tuning in today. They'll be using the chat. My people from Twitter, let's go. Right. So, GBPUSD. Let me break it down a little bit for you guys why I'm looking to sell. We have this area of resistance that got tapped. Let me actually share the right screen. Okay, so GU, we've got this area of resistance that got tapped. And then we had another area that got tapped up here. Price started pushing towards the downside. When it pushed towards the downside, we actually kind of broke a piece of structure over here. That structure was broken. Then from that point, we started making lower lows and lower highs. So right now, we have an impulse followed by a little bit of a correction. So I'm going to clean up the chart as I go. Don't want to have too much stuff on the chart, yeah? So as you can see, we had an impulse followed by a little bit of a correction. So we can expect price take us to the downside. Unless if anybody has any objections if anyone has any objections on why this shouldn't go down. Because even look at this, we have a nice form of resistance up here. If this trade was held this morning, this could have been a whopping 1:6. But we didn't hold the trade, so So we have taken a look at GU, and we have taken another look at XAUUSD. We are on fire today. Like, we also hit a stream on London session. So we hit London, we hit Asia. Guess what? Tomorrow we're hitting London again. And we're also gonna hit Asia. So we ain't playing around, y'all. So yeah, guys, now we're just playing the waiting game. The waiting game is the part that sucks the most. But it's cool though. It's cool though. It's absolutely cool.
I was just like, yo, I ain't making no bread off this. Like, not like that, but I was just like, I didn't know what I was gonna do. Like, you feel me? Like, it wasn't no like. Did you go uni or? Yeah, I got a degree. What's your degree in? Global business management. I ain't learned that, so I'll be honest, I didn't learn. Like, if someone asked me, like, did you go uni or? Yeah, I went to university.
Sorry for the echo. It's going down. I believe XAUUSD is gonna sell, guys. unfortunately, guys, this is just the boring side of trading. Unfortunately, like, there's nothing we can do but just wait. We've got a lot of people tuning in from Twitter today. We have a lot of people tuning in from Twitter. Absolutely sick. So let's take a look at GBPUSD one more time. Sorry, this is GBPUSD. So let's take a look at XAUUSD. There we go. And don't forget, we have this all saved on our trading journal that we created. This is all shared on our trading journal. So let's go to the journal. As you can see, we have the XAU cells and the GU cells. So calendar view. Today, there's a total of 3 positions. This was actually GU buys this morning, so I need to make sure I label it correctly. GU buys. But yeah, we also have the GU cells. We have it ready, locked, loaded in our trading journal. We have XAUUSD ready, locked in our trading journal. Easy. So if you want access to this trading journal, DM me trading on 5p trading underscore on Instagram. So I'm going to comment my Instagram name in the comment section right now, right? So I'm going to say DM 5p trading underscore. And what I love is that this trading plan, right? You guys can literally use it forever. Like, you can use this trading plan for the rest of your life. And on top of that, we're going to be adding tweaks every now and then, trying to make this trading plan go from here to here to here. And we can't do that without you guys. So we also need you guys to purchase the trading plan, or even just get access to the trading plan, so you can tell us what we need to improve on and we can make it better. Okay, today's goal is execute my plan flawlessly with no emotional deviation. We're not going to deviate from anything. We're going to execute our plan flawlessly with no emotional deviation. That's what we do in 5p trading, guys. Why is that? I'll tell you why. Let's zoom into this statement. And this statement here says, I repeat, it says, I am a disciplined trader who follows my plan, respects my limits, and learns from every trade. Consistency over emotion and process over profit. I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. Consistency over emotion and process over profit. That's what we do here on the 5p trading side of things, guys. We're absolutely killing it. Hopefully these 2 trades go into 1% profit at least. And when it does, we'll be able to lock in some profits and continue going from there. Other than that, my people, we are finished trading. We are finished for the day. We will be streaming tomorrow. London session. 8 a.m. sharp. Be there or be square. Peace.
That's it, traders. So if you're ready to take your evaluation, you can go in the link in the description. You can start today. But if you're here just for the content, then make sure you like and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on the future. Best of luck.